Hello and welcome back to Kanen Coffee Espresso Machines. Today we're testing this Gaggia titanium espresso machine. We did a tune-up on it. The machine was heavily clogged in multiple locations, and so we deep cleaned a lot of stuff out and replaced some O-rings and a valve, and then the pump wasn't working properly, and this was the buildup of coffee probably is what almost certainly caused the pump to go bad, and so now let's pour us a shot. So you have a nice smooth flow of espresso. Let's test the steam. I might shoot out the back here since the hose is hooked up correctly. So we have that nice strong steam. So thank you for pairing with Kanen Coffee. Please like our videos below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, subscribe to our channel. Thank you.